Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef oven easy method. Pat the roast dry, then rub with olive oil and season well. Sear all sides in a hot pan for color, then transfer to a roasting pan. Roast at 425 degrees F until internal temperature reaches desired doneness. Tent with foil and rest for 15 minutes before carving to lock in juices. Start by trimming but keeping a thin fat cap to maintain juiciness while the roast cooks. Massage the beef with oil and a simple rub of salt, pepper, minced garlic, rosemary, and thyme. Allow the seasoned roast to sit at room temperature so flavors penetrate. Meanwhile, preheat the oven and prepare a rack in a roasting pan to allow hot air circulation under the meat for even browning. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps your kitchen tidy while you cook, so crumbs and spills are one less worry. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider trying one for effortless cleanups between meals. Now let's get back to the video. Sear creates great crust, so use a hot skillet and brown all sides quickly before roasting. Transfer to the oven set to 425 degrees F and cook until the thermometer reads your target temperature. Remove the roast a few degrees lower than final target because carryover heat raises it. Tent with foil and let rest so juices redistribute. Slice against the grain for tender bites and serve with pan juices or a simple gravy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.